That is about, yes, that is about the addition of chapter 4, addition of large numbers. We are going to start now. Addition. Already you are knowing it. You have studied about it. So we can do some problems and we
Okay,
can,
ma'am.
okay. So addition of large numbers. Already you are knowing it. So we can do some problems connected that what is meant by addition of large numbers. Already you are knowing. Yes or no? Addition of large numbers. You are knowing?
Yes.
Yes. Some examples I will give you.
Ma'am.
Afterwards, we can do the workbook examples connecting this.
To write in paper.
You can, I will see now. If pen drive is opening means you can write in that, otherwise you wait.
We need to write in new paper.
Yes, new sheet you can write it. Chapter 4. Chapter 4, that is 1 minute. Arfan Muhammad. Addition and subtraction. Heading you can write. Addition and
Can
subtraction.
I leave and join?
Yes.
Can I leave and join again?
Yes. What network issue for you?
No, ma'am. I can't touch the screen.
Okay.
I cannot mute. No.
Okay. Okay. You can join.
Ma'am, should we write in the note?
Yes.
In the
In
paper?
class notes. Addition and subtraction of
Ma'am, you
large
have to
numbers.
write.
Yes, you can write it. Heading. This is the heading. Addition and subtraction of large numbers. I think you don't want any examples for this. You are already knowing it.
Ma'am, is this for the chapter?
For chapter 4, only in the textbook it is there only addition and subtraction. So I wrote it or identifying addition and subtraction of large numbers. Addition and subtraction only chapter name.
Finished.
Finished.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
No.
Ma'am. Ma'am, should we write the problems?
Yes, you can do the problems and we can start the workbook problems so soon. Just now I will give one example. No need of writing. You can listen first.
No, ma'am, I didn't finish this.
Finished all of you completed?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. No, ma'am, I just joined it.
Problems, addition and subtraction of large problems we need to
Finish.
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. Yes, tell me now.
Ma'am, we need to write addition and subtraction of large numbers problems.
Problems that we are going to do it.
Ma'am, can you
Yes.
show the next one?
Yes, wait.
Ma'am,
So
can you
listen.
do the previous one? I
Yeah.
didn't finish. I just joined right now. Now, can you show the next one?
Yes, wait.
Finished, ma'am.
Finished. Okay, so shall we go to the next one? So how will you add, 1 minute, how will you add the two numbers? How will you add the two numbers? Anupama?
Plus 5.
Plus.
Ma'am, by plus.
By adding. That means you are writing the numbers one after the another. Ones place, tens place, you are writing the numbers. And the numbers that we are writing one after the another, then it is called vertical addition or column addition. Okay. What we are adding, as usual, we are adding, that is called vertical addition or column addition. Okay. That is the only one definition coming under this problem. And subtraction means you will write the large number first. If you want to subtract 5 minus 10, what is 5 minus 10?
5. 5.
15.
5 minus 10.
5. 5. 5.
How you will give? Now you are having 5 chocolates with you. Can you give 5 chocolates to your friends?
No, ma'am.
No. So you can say that there is a shortage of 5 chocolates. That means it is not 5, it is minus 5. So when you are subtracting, you have to write the larger number first. 10 minus 5. What is 10 minus 5? It is 5. But 5 minus 10 is not 5, it is minus 5. There is a shortage. Okay. So you cannot say that it is plus 5. So whatever that numbers that we are writing down and adding, it is called the vertical addition or column addition. That is the next definition. You have to write it here. Vertical addition or column addition. You can write it. Problems, no need of writing it again. Already you wrote it so many times because heading, for heading only I am writing that. We can add and subtract two or more numbers by writing them one below the other. This is called vertical or column addition. Vertical addition or column addition. This is the only one definition coming under that. What is meant by vertical addition? Definition is not so important. You can write and keep.
Completed, ma'am.
Completed. Okay, wait.
No, ma'am.
Still some are writing. Please mute.
Completed, ma'am.
Please mute. Please mute.
Can you finish the next slide?
Yes, yes.
No, ma'am. No, I'm in the last line.
Last line.
Now you can show the next.
Yes, yes. Wait, wait.
I am in the last. Ma'am, I'm in the last.
Yes, you can write it. I will give time for writing. You can write.
Am I finished?
Finish.
Yes, ma'am. I'm finished.
Finished. All of you completed?
Yes. Ma'am, last line. Ma'am.
Last line.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now completed.
Completed. So I will completed. I think all are knowing how to add. Have you studied? How will you add these numbers?
Ma'am, not completed.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am, Henry did not come.
yes, Henry, you can complete it.
Now
So,
I'm learning, ma'am. Now I'm learning how to use an abacus.
how to use an abacus.
Ma'am, I am also learning.
Okay, so you can listen now. 1 minute, just listen. 1, 2, 3. 3, 6, 9. It is a 3-digit number. Yes. So how will you add this, Adidev?
Ma'am, first we have to start from the ones,
Ones, tens,
ten.
hundreds. Place value you have to enter first. What is the ones place here?
Ma'am,
No need of writing. Just listen.
3 plus 10.
Yes.
3
Next
plus
one,
9.
2,
3 plus 9.
1. 3, 6, 9. So 9 plus 3 is 12. Carry over is 1. 6 plus 2, 8 plus 1, 9. 3 plus 1 is 4. You know how to add this? Did you study?
Ma'am, 492.
492. Did you study this?
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Shall I give some problems in rough book? You can write it. Afterwards, you can complete in class notes. Okay? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Anyone is having doubt in addition,
Yes,
column
ma'am.
addition or vertical? No doubt. So you write in rough book. 2-3 problems I will give you only in rough book. No need of writing in class notes. Afterwards, we can write in the class notes. You can tell me the answer. Okay? You write first. Yes. Can you tell me now?
Ma'am, this will write in the book.
Rough book. Only rough book you can add and tell me.
okay, ma'am.
Okay? Your mind addition. No need of writing in class notes. Class notes are after if you are understanding, if you are
My
yes.
addition is easy. Ma'am,
Addition is easy.
easy, ma'am. I can do it right away.
Yes, first you can write the question and write it. Tell me the answer now. 2 minutes is there. 9:43 you can
Ma'am.
stop.
I'm doing by my mind.
Yes, you can do by your mind. Sapna, are you feeling sleepy? Did you complete this problem? Tell me
Ma'am,
the
the answer is 58,400.
How to finish?
Ma'am,
Yes.
answer is 68,100 and
68 or 58?
58. No, 68, ma'am, 68.
How you will get 68?
Ma'am, it is 58. Ma'am, it is 58,000.
Yes. 1 more minute is there. Afterwards, I will ask you the answer now.
Ma'am, the answer is 58,429.
Yes. So,
3,400.
1 more minute.
Ma'am, can I see the answer?
Yes, yes, you can say the answer now. Okay. What is the answer now?
429.
What is the answer?
58,429.
Is it correct, Sarah Rose? What is the
ma'am,
answer?
correct, ma'am.
Okay, very
Yes,
good. All of you got the
yes,
correct
ma'am.
answer?
Yes, ma'am. Correct, ma'am.
Correct.
Yes.
Nihal? Yes. John Daniel also got. Shivadhyan? Varada got the correct answer. Anne Maria, all of you got the correct answer. Yes, Anselin. Rohit. Okay. Devadarshan, did you complete? Yes. Isra also completed. Okay. Iva Rose, did you complete? Finished? Okay, very good. Shreya, did you complete in rough book?
Yes.
Okay. One more problem I will give you. Afterwards, we can go the these problems. Now, how will you add? One is 5 digit and the other one is 4 digit. Where you will write the place values are important. One is 5 digit and the other one is 4 digit.
5, 3, 3, 2, 1.
I'm completed. I'm completed.
Okay, let me see now. Wait.
Ma'am, I know. Can I say the answer?
Yes, don't say. Wait. Still they are doing. 1 minute we can give for others to do it.
Ma'am, I have
1
to
minute.
say the answer, ma'am. Ma'am, can I say the answer?
Wait. 9:45 you can say the answer.
Ma'am, the answer I know.
Ma'am, I also know the answer.
Yes. 9:45 you can say the answer now.
Now it was very easy. Ma'am, it's 9:45. Can I say the answer?
Ma'am, finish.
Say the answer, Adidev.
Ma'am, the
answer
answer
is
57,642.
Yes, Adidev. What is the answer, Adidev?
Ma'am, 57,642.
Yes,
Correct answer,
57.
correct
You did not
answer,
change the
correct
place
answer.
value. 4, 3. Where you will write 4, 3, 2, 1. 4, 3, 2, 1. This is in ones. 2, 4, 6, 7, 5.
One is in the one
Ma'am,
place.
I
two
got the
is in
correct
the
answer.
57,642.
100th place.
Okay.
Four
So
is
all
in
are
the
knowing the
place.
answers. So shall we start the problems now?
answer.
Ma'am, I got the correct answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am,
So,
57.
We do it in the paper.
57,000. Yes, Parvati, did you complete?
57,642.
42. Okay, that means you are knowing how to add. Only you have to write the place values and you should add it. I will give the problems. Can you do it now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, next one we can do it.
Only note.
In class notes. This is in class notes.
zoom in?
Ma'am, should we do it in the? Ma'am, should we do it in the paper?
No. In class notes you can write it. Addition.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, should we do this in the ruled paper?
No, unrolled sheet. Your sheet.
Yes, ma'am.
This is continuation of your class notes.
Ma'am, after a problem, we have to do addition.
Yes, you can write the heading as addition and subtraction. Both you can write. Add the following.
Definition of addition and subtraction. I didn't
No,
wrote them.
not necessary.
Again.
Add the following is enough. If you are writing also, no problem. That is the topic. Only question you copy, don't see the answers. One's place, you have to draw the place value chart and you have to write it here. 283 plus question. 2 questions are there, you can copy.
Ma'am, finish.
So soon.
398.
Ma'am, I'm only writing the question.
Shivadhyan, he cannot see me.
Ma'am, at the first addition, there is no plus.
Where? Here. Yes.
Ma'am, I finished.
Finished.
No, ma'am, I'm doing the second question.
Yes.
Ma'am, I'm doing the second question.
Ma'am, can you send this in WhatsApp?
Yes, I will send through WhatsApp.
Ma'am, I'm doing only this.
Yes, 2 problems. Addition is easy.
The first question.
283 plus 115. How much you got?
No, ma'am. I didn't finish.
398.
No, ma'am, I didn't finish.
398, first one.
Ma'am, I didn't finish.
Yes.
Ma'am, I didn't finish.
Complete soon.
I finished all of the questions.
No, ma'am. I didn't finish.
You can write it.
Now I am adding the second question.
Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000 place
Ma'am,
you
I
have.
finished. Ma'am, I would say finished.
Yes.
Oh, ma'am, I am
Adding.
second to.
Ma'am, you wrote the
Ma'am, I got the answer.
I wrote.
Ma'am,
Yes,
I
yes.
got the correct answer.
All of you got the correct answer now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. I am writing.
I am
Writing still. You can write it.
got the correct answer.
1 minute. 1 minute. I will check what is the next problem. Addition only. Next problem I will give you in the next class.
I am writing.
You can write it.
Ma'am, time is up.
Time over. Only 1 more minute. Yes.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Bye bye. See you in the
Thank you,
next.
ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Bye bye.
Ma'am.